furniture shop. Viti zikikuja, like I've already settled on the design, the color. Today is on Wednesday. Yeah, today is on Wednesday, and we are supposed to come for the sit on Saturday. So after the sit comes, I'm going to show you. I'm going also to tell you where I got it, the prices, how I chose the material of the seat and everything. I'm going to show you, like, the moment I've visited a lot of furniture shops, but the moment I came here, I've learned a lot about furniture. Like right now, I know quite a lot. Like, I've been educated a lot, and I'm not green anymore. So on Saturday, guys, in regards to the furniture, I'm going to let you know the pros, the cons, and then we are going to see the seat that I settled with. So see you guys, bye. Let's get something enye mtu anaweza kula. I'm so hungry. So for breakfast, I've taken this Ribena and some vanilla queen cakes. So I fear chakula na vile nakula, like I don't fear food really, I just fear to add weight because why? No, I'm so hungry. It might be noisy juu go kwa stage. They're so sweet. Me I'm a sweet tooth.
Getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun. Getting sprung. We used to dance the night away.
So guys, I'm along Thika Road and I'm headed to now Palace. Hii hapa Thika Road. So I want to make this clear. Mimi sikuendea Bed Palace because of peer pressure, because of celebs and everything. furniture shop. So oh my god, okay, acha niwaeleze what happens here. So kwa hii barabara yote it's all furniture shop, like 10 or more. Like right now what is happening, the reason I'm getting distracted ni juu watu, they are all calling me and directing my car, kuja hivi. So this is what happens ukikuja huku, like everyone is selling furniture and everyone wants your attention. I'm done with the whole thing, the entire thing. Nimemaliza hiyo story. So couch, now I have a couch, I have a bed, I have a mattress. Even the mattress I've just decided to take from there because the prices are reasonable and they offer free delivery since I just live not far. Alafu that's it for today. So for now I just want to get home. My house is a bit messy by the way, like hey, yeah, jana hakuna kitu nilifanya apart from cleaning the utensils. It's left right because I was like busy the entire time, so I just want to go and give it like it seems like a last general cleaning in this house, in the where I'm living. Alafu that's it. And then the next time you're going to see me, I'm going to see you guys, we are going to be getting the curtains and the carpet. I still with moving. I know, like I've just we have a video of the full house tour. Finally, go check it out. So I've just cleaned this house. Don't mind the neighbors, I'm going to sort them. The most important thing was fumigation. I have fumigated it, it's smelling like shit. So until I'll give it a few hours. Let me open. I'm supposed to leave that like open, so I had showered, though I'm not going to shower again because I don't have a towel or whatever. So I had carried some clothes. Let us get ready. If you're seeing me for the first time, again, this is the midst of a vlog. My name is Finally.New. Feel at home. Yeah, so let's get ready. We are going to easily. We are going to get carpets and curtains. So let me first request for the Uber. I'm going to Mayala Mall in Isili and I don't know where it is located. So let's request for a cab as we get ready. Okay. So, oh my god, this is the outfit I've already requested for the Uber. So this black dress, the driver is calling. So the cab imefika. This is how my outfit looks. Yeah, so I'm going in with this sling bag. So I'm spraying this. It's a refill perfume, Hugo Boss. Yeah. So I'm not going to do like generally because ashafika. Time will catch up with me. It has already done. So I'm going to Moyale Mall, who is calling Tena. So we are not doing a jewelry as I was saying. Okay, we go after. Yeah, so I'm going in with these sandals. Na try kupaka mikono mafuta because I'm from cleaning and tutaki kukaa kupaka. So as I was saying, I'm going to Moyale Mall. I don't know where it is, but it is in Eastleigh. Alafu they are closing at 5:30 and it's 1 something. So let's get there.
Getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun.
Hi everyone, how are you doing? Look at my wardrobe. So we said this vlog, we are calling it the moving vlog. So it's official. It's moving day, guys. I'm so tired. Yani nilikuwa nimesahau ku vlog because I'm so tired. Today is end month, and I know like for end month is usually a very busy time of busy time of the month for even companies, because it's payment day, it be paying bills, time, your time, and all that in one person. And I'm so tired, Joe. What? Yani kazi ni, I think the reason I'm tired, even I've lost the glow. Kai. Yeah, so I think the reason I'm tired, jana aki nimefua. Look at my hands. It can't show well. Yani nimefua. I cleaned base clothes because we want to move with I personally nataka kila kitu iende kiwa safi. So I cleaned his clothes, I cleaned towels, I cleaned bed sheets. Nimefanya kazi, and the funny bit, I never cleaned even one outfit yangu. So today I've called Mama Fua. She's around. She's doing the laundry from 2nd floor. Mimi niko 5th floor. Hakunanga maji, so lazima ashuke na manguo huko chini afu alafu anike. It's a lot of work. Yeah, ningefua zangu ningefaint. What? It's been a while since nifua. It's been forever bana. Yeah, so huko nime just disarranging what. This clothes, everything is out. Na vile kunakaa, it's so messy. Yeah, so let me show you something, because why not? Unaona mkebe, it's a new mkebe. Si unasikia? Ni kidogo. So I'm manifesting to break more money at in December. Okay? Oh, so just to encourage you, pia wewe tafuta mkebe, we save whatever little change, little coins you get, tunarusha kwa mkebe. It's around 2:30. I'm stuck hapa na kazi. See? I'm tired mentally. Nimechoka. officially the last day in this house, and guy, I can thank God because what? Yeah, so today is the last day. I won't be sleeping in this house, by the way. I know the last time I spoke to you guys nilikuwa naenda Isili. Nilienda, I got the curtains. You know, me, I brought the curtains. The day I went to bring the curtains, the coach was coming the same day. So kiti ilikuja kama siko. And when I brought the curtains, I almost screamed because the seat was looking so beautiful. Yeah, but honestly speaking, I almost screamed because nilikuwa naona ni kama kiti na curtain hazitaendanisha.
Getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun.
Good morning, how are you doing? I'm doing okay. Mkwaje. Yeah, so I know my hair is bad. Oh my god. Yani nimejiachilia for a few days. This moving pain has really drained me. I was so active, like kutembea up and down, but finally. So guys, I was not supposed to sleep here. We were not supposed to sleep here, but situations, tulifanyiwa ile kitu na carpenter. So the bed was supposed to come yesterday, but haikukuja, haikuwa imemalizika. But pia sisi, I don't know why we had so much believe, and watu ni wale we also disappoint people in some areas. So the guy has called me, ameniambia kitanda iko ready, acha afike kwa duka and then it be delivered. So yeah, so we slept here. The house is empty kabisa. Everything was carried yesterday at night around 10 p.m. Yani tulihama na giza kama wezi. Tulikuwa tunapuuza historia ya kuhama last minute because we thought tungetoka vitu zingetolewa mapema, but there was some wiring to be done in the next house, which took a while. Shower heads to be fixed, plumbing, yani a lot. Yeah, so tukahama. Alafu I had to like pack my bag, my partner's bag, because he was flying. His flight was around 5 a.m. Now you can imagine he had to leave here 2 a.m. Nimelala late, but it's okay. Yeah, so the house is empty kabisa. Everything was taken. So I just want to get up. I'm not even going to shower because everything was taken. I'm just going to brush and wash my face and then niende we see the other house. It is very chaotic. I'm sure sikuenda after vitu zimepelekwa. I was so tired. I was so tired, and also I was left behind now packing the bag and ironing. I'm looking for someone to help me with organizing the other house. I think now I can say why movers are important. Hmm? Vitu ziko left, right, I'm sure of that. So see you guys later. Twende to we see how the house is. I try and look for someone who can help me. We organize together, and officially that's it. We are in a new house. Bye. So I'm here. Yeah, like something is off about this lighting in this house. But we are going to figure it out. Yeah, something is very off. Okay. I'm so hungry. So the guy delivering my bed, they have just called. They are coming in a few. So I've not gotten someone to help me with the arrangement. Honestly, I really need help because it's too much, and I've been tired lately. Like, I've been so busy. I need to rest. Also, I'm prepping for work. I have some work to do. Let me show you how the house looks so that you get it when I say like I need help with the arrangement. So I'm gonna start with the kitchen. So I installed the curtains yesterday. So that's how I went with this color for all the light gray for all the curtains in the whole house, and then even though kunaka. So okay, let's give it a 380. Okay, so tell you a plug. This shower head, we got it from Shop Merrick's in town. Even though in a car. It was installed yesterday. I'm going to show you that. And then kuna vitu chini. We are going to arrange that later. And then finally here is our cooker. Yeah, the reason I need help, you see, like I need to get it from the carton and also have it arranged, and then kuna vitu tu chini, but let me show you like the whole house vile tu inakaa matopotania. I remember telling you guys we got a washing machine. So here it is. It was installed yesterday by a plumber. You see, water in and also water out here. Everything is up Yeah, so the choice of seat, I went for this. It's a 5-seater. This seat needs to go here and this one to go here. The curtains same as those ones in the kitchen, and I installed them yesterday. My TV was mounted yesterday, and this is how it looks. My 2 carpets, I got them from Easily. I know I never got a chance to show you guys, but one for the bedroom and one for the living room. Yeah, so that's it about the sitting area. So this is how the second room is looking. Yeah, vitu ziko up and down everywhere. I think I recommend for movers. Juu hii ni kazi mbaya. Yeah, so I'm going to sort all this, and then yeah. The master bedroom is empty. Yeah. So allow me to end this video at this particular juncture. Mimi si record nikipanga and everything. Of course, I'm going to arrange. The next time you're seeing me, I'll be in a kept house. So as I wait for my bed, as I wait for the lady who is helping me with arranging, and as I also, because the reason also I need help is because I have some work to do that I'll be doing in a few. So that's it about moving officially. I thank God, really. I've been looking forward to this particular time of moving, and I share Peter Evo too. So comment, like, subscribe, yeah, share, let's grow, because one way you can support me is liking my video, and by liking it's going to be recommended to more people, and that's how we are going to grow. So that's it from me, guys. See you in my next video.